to this video today, man. What's up?
What's up?
What's up, squad? Gang, gang.
What's up, YouTube? We back with another video.
Facts. As you can see in the intro and just now,
We're gonna give y'all some meditation tips. We're gonna teach y'all really how really to meditation for basically beginners.
word. If it's hard for you, or yo, I'm not gonna hold you. When I started, yeah, it was hard for me too. So I already know.
Word, feel me? A little context though, because I wanted to make this vid really because a lot of people, or feel me, you'll be surprised, but a lot of people don't know where to start when it comes to meditation. Like they don't, either their attention span is just not built for that,
or they not focused. Yo, it takes a level of focus to clear your mind. Trust.
They do. It take a lot of focus to clear your mind, but ultimately, reasons for meditation is to actually hone in on your own energies, to clear your mind and clear all the negativity that's inside of you, bro. You gotta release that. You have to release that
Inside, around, yo, you gotta know how to strengthen yourself and your field, bro.
I'm saying so.
We gonna get into it today, man.
Alright, I'm gonna start off with give the people your take on what meditation is to you.
Dr. Butts in the cup. I ain't gonna hold you. Meditation to me is our healing factor, bro. Like I look at it like our healing factor. Like that is the one, and it should be the key that everybody should just know to do, or they should put in school. Like this should be a class for real. But this is the only key factor that there is no bad or downfall to when you do this. Meditation just increases everything that you do in your life. It just helps you get through or helps you better.
So alright, that was the first question. My second question would be, in your life, how has meditation helped you?
Man, that's crazy. I didn't even think about that. Yo, bro, you know me. Feel me? I used to have, bro, I'm not gonna hold you. I used to be, I'm not gonna say a bad kid, but you know when you have so much energy, you don't know what to do with it, where to go with it, nothing. It starts to come out in your actions, and yo, man, niggas grew up in the hood, so feel me, I'm gonna tell you, it started to come out in their actions, my actions.
So you had a lot of pent up energy,
pent up
aggression,
energy.
everything.
Aggression. I'm telling you everything, all the energies that you pick up around your area, that you whether you grow up, whether you go to school, whether you go to work, your environment. Feel me? All that you pick up, if you don't have a key way to release that, is gonna play out in your actions.
So feel me. So you'll say that,
and I'll say, yo. So feel me.
Meditation.
When I was young, feel me. I'm like, damn, I gotta do something else. Then curse at my teachers and shit that I doubt. Feel me. I'm like, I bet I searched up meditating. Bro, ended up really like just learning a way to clear my own mind. After I learned to clear my own mind, bro, my whole perception, my whole view changed. Like my even emotional scale, my emotions got into check. Like, bro, it's harder to get me out of my check and emotions because I meditate.
So you were able to balance your emotions better.
Yes, basically.
All right, so that's that. Now, what would you tell them to get them on? Basically, some steps to get them to start meditating more, because this is also something that you gotta focus. Not a lot of people have focus.
I'm gonna tell y'all this.
So
meditation, yo, if you have anxiety, you stress a lot, you overthink a lot, meditation is already gonna be hard for you. One, because you're so much into your mental state that it's already hard for you to clear it. Feel me? And if it's hard for you to clear it while you're meditating, you're just gonna be sitting down there thinking, bro. And that's the problem. A lot of people just sitting and thinking, and y'all not really meditating because you're not clear. You're not free. You're not basically there to be free for your own self. Feel me? You're just thinking about all your problem, what's weighing on you. But that's it.
So feel me, how would they get into meditating? Because there is a step-by-step process.
Yeah, I would say the step-by-step process personally is different for everybody, but a general way is, I would say, yo, you gotta go into it understanding like, alright, my problems should not matter at this moment. Feel me? You gotta put your problems aside, and you gotta be in the present state.
Step one, put your problems aside, be in your present state.
Yes. Present state. And when you are able to be in your present state, then if you still, you're not gonna be able to just get in your present state and stop thinking. You're never gonna be able to just stop thinking, feel me? You're gonna have to create your own ways or tactics from other people, feel me? There's ways, like I would say, if you are a thinker, then you could be like, alright, I know I think so much, so let me just use a number, let me use a scale from a number or alphabet. Let me count from 1 to 100, and I could keep going if I want to go up to 1,000, to just keep my focus on one thing, to clear everything else and keep it on one thing. That's for beginners. You could start by going all the way up to 1,000, coming right back down from 1,000 if you really
that's if you could count to 1,000, if you have that much patience to count to 1,000. But
that much
when you're
patience
meditating, you need patience. This is to teach you patience.
Don't think like it's gonna be something that you just achieve over a week or two. Nah, this is something that you come into over years. I've been meditating for years, bro.
And feel me,
and it still felt brand new.
I'm gonna tell y'all, for me, I grew up watching this nigga meditate. I'm not gonna cap. I grew up watching that. I wasn't really in tune with all that shit until I started going through more and more internal problems. Feel me? Internally, like, it's so much stuff that's pent up in you. You got aggression, anger, feel me?
It's not just for you too. It's not just from you. A lot of people have so much problems from the outside that y'all never was able to put aside or forgive or feel me? You just put so
now look
deep
at this.
in you that you can't.
Feel me? For me, what I would say is, feel me? I'm telling y'all right now, bro. Y'all gotta. It's like what I've been telling you. We've been talking about this before this vid, bro. Feel me? I would say if you really some steps that will help you.
Let me also add that because there's like many types of people, you could also add word. It's like rhythms. Rhythms is like music. Music is like something called binaural beats. Binaural beats are symphonics that you could like resonate.
Feel me? Y'all tell me this. How much of y'all find it more soothing to go to sleep? To go to sleep and have some kind of soothing sound in the background, whether it's like the rain, whether it's even a thunderstorm. People find that comforting when they go to sleep. Now, when you go to meditate, it would be smart, and this is with different people. But if you could throw on some comforting, soothing frequency in your background while you meditate, that would also help you focusing and honing to more of your thoughts and not your problems.
Now, I could tell you what that does. If you wouldn't know that you actually honing into a sound is honing into a frequency, so this is getting your own state of body to resonate with your mind as one, and this is also clarity. Feel me? This is how music clears people's minds sometimes, because it's resonating with it so much that it's making it one, that you don't have to go think about anything else. You just feel the music,
where you just feel focused on that one frequency of the music, and that's basically gonna carry you. Literally, it's gonna carry you, and eventually you're gonna be so deep into your meditative thought that you're not gonna realize that you're not thinking about all this clouded shit. And another thing is, feel me, get some candles. Get some candles, get some incense.
Light some candles and some calm incense.
Matter of fact, show them the incense, bro. Show them the incense. Get some candles, get some incense. I'm telling you, bro, this is,
feel me, we got a couple.
Word, you could get this from like a product store or
like
a herbal store. You could get this for like, this thing costs no more than $3 cash, $4, bro.
Like $2 cash, $3 cash, bro.
I got these from there's this herbal store like across the street,
and you just light them up before you. It's like, yo, you wake up, light one up, medium day, you cleaning, you doing whatever you want to do in your house.
Cleaning,
light it up.
Light one of these up. Light some of these is gonna set the atmosphere.
It's gonna set the tone, and light some up when you're going to sleep too.
Feel me? And I'm not talking about sage. I'm talking about incense.
Exactly.
Feel me?
Don't let them fool you.
Light a couple of these up, and that's literally gonna open up the atmosphere, open up your energy.
Yep.
Like,
it's gonna calm your frequency down. Feel me? A lot of y'all really don't know how to clear all the fuckery that y'all go out through y'all day. Like, feel me?
And
there's tools to clear it, but y'all don't want to listen. So
the mental is one of the most powerful things here. You as a human, your mental is what matters almost over a lot of things. Feel me? You need a clear mind. You need
to do anything.
A solid mind to be sane.
I'm telling you.
Feel me? We all just be thugging it out, right?
It only takes one bad day.
It only take one bad day, like the Joker been telling Batman for years. It only take one bad day.
But this is upon you
to send you over the tip,
to balance yourself out. So that one bad day could end up being a good day.
That bad day, you convert that energy into good, because ultimately the goal is to convert all these negative emotions into positive.
It's not that you're not gonna get negative or negativity around you. Feel me? That's always gonna be.
We live in sin. We live in sin.
It's to convert it. It's to change it. Feel me? Energy is to be changed. It can never die.
I'm saying, because energy doesn't die, we need to convert the negative energy into positive energy. We need to hold ourselves accountable. Feel me? Therapy is one thing, but this is home therapy.
I think,
this is home therapy.
You could do therapy. I'm not going to ever downplay therapy.
Yeah, of course not.
But you also need to actively be your own therapist for your own life. Feel me? For your own body.
And then even this, feel me? If you wanted to have like a little journal, you could literally track yourself. Feel me? You could literally track how you feel after each meditative session. You can track how your emotions is going.
If you don't feel like you feel more fulfilling out of that session, write that down. Like, that didn't do anything for me. Write it down. That, feel me? How you feel about it, you should write it down.
I'm saying, because ultimately, after meditating, sometimes I like to meditate if I'm facing a lot of problems all at once. I like to meditate to literally clear the mind, feel me, and actually go through each solution for these problems.
Because we get into the part 2. I think this video should be a part 2, but
we're gonna give y'all some more.
Because this is meditation for people who have a lot of stress or a lot of things on their mind. Now, the keys for meditation, there's a whole another part about meditation when you have a clear mind, what you can do with meditation.
Now after that, that's where the real fun comes in. Because, another thing is to say, when you got this meditation shit on lock and your mind is solid, ain't no man, ain't no woman out here that could gaslight you.
Nothing can stop you.
Nothing can gaslight the shit that you know. The shit that you are certain about. Feel me? Nobody could come and play with your mind.
Exactly.
Feel me? Nobody can manipulate you.
A lot of people have manipulative tactics.
Bro, I'm telling you right now, manipulation is one of the most venomous traits that everybody carries and basically uses to their own will.
Just to get up on the next man, next woman.
Nah, you gotta train your mind never to get manipulated. Always see through manipulation.
And you don't want to be a manipulator, bro. That's not a principle of the divine.
That's the thing. That's not a principle that we rely on, because we don't need that.
You don't need that.
We don't need to manipulate you, because when you speak, you have to speak in truth. And that's what we here to tell y'all every single time. Niggas is speaking in truth. Feel me?
Once you understand that, you're gonna see where we at.
I'm saying,
you'll see us eye to eye one day.
I'm saying, don't live in a facade, bro. Don't live in a facade. And if you know something is not right internally, don't act like it's right internally.
And don't even. I seen something. A girl. I'm not even gonna speak too much on the topic, but basically, she was just like, she was like, oh, they're forcing me to do this. God will forgive me, something like that. And I'm like, you think God is really gonna forgive you because you think people is forcing you to do something that you're gonna indulge into it?
Everybody gotta take accountability for their own actions, We all gotta take accountability. I hold him accountable for his actions. He hold me accountable for my actions, and I hold myself accountable too. Feel me?
Because ultimately, you are gonna be held accountable whether you know it or not.
I'm saying, and also we just wanna talk to y'all about different ways to release these pent up energy.
Whether it's negative, it's always gonna be
pent
negative.
up. Feel me? A lot of us we don't like to talk about the things we go through, because we don't like to tell people about the things that make us vulnerable,
or the things that make you human,
or the things that make you human, bro. If any of y'all, bro, y'all know my IG, y'all know his IG.
Word, bro.
Yo,
y'all ever need somebody to talk to?
I'm trying to show you. If you want a further analysis on this topic, bro, we could actually get on some one-to-one.
Word, bro. Because this is like free knowledge, bro. It's always gonna be free knowledge, bro.
It's free knowledge and it's free energy. And I'm just telling you stuff from my personal experience. Like,
hey, bro, I'm not gonna hold you. I probably wouldn't lie to y'all. Like, real shit.
Feel me? We're gonna cap it off like, yo, be good to yourself, be good to your mind, your body, and your soul, and be good to others.
And you always gotta remember, being good to others is being good to your mind, body, and soul.
Yeah.
But don't let people run over you.
Don't get manipulated like fucking PJ Walker. But yeah, we gonna end this video. Yo,
we gonna end it. Watch people actions and their words. Look at actions and words. Make sure it line up.
Come on. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know what to do. Y'all could drop what y'all think, bro. And yo, if you really need a one-to-one, we are always here. Hit my IG up. Really. Hit me in my IG box. We could actually go over some stuff.
For real. We'll talk, man. We'll show. It's not even just a show, but yo, we here for y'all. It's cause we probably never had nobody that was here for us. But
bro, if I didn't have my brother, I don't know.
I'm trying to tell you.
I don't know.
If we didn't have each other, if we didn't have our own siblings, bro,
I don't know.
But feel me, we'll extend our hand, because we know a lot of people don't have that extended hand. Feel me?
I'm trying to show you. And I'm not here to put on no fucking facade for y'all. I'm not here to put on. This is called Bastard Entertainment for
this
a reason.
This is reality. This is gonna be reality from us. Feel me? The real, okay? A lot of niggas don't know the real.
Don't. Real recognize real though. Feel me?
Real.
We out.
Like a fucking movie every day, no wriggle. I really don't think I can complain, no issue. Drip out the motherfucking faucet, ice glacier. Special team, fucking 42. I'm faded. One star, I can put you on like bringer. 2 dog, quick push it, start pick up a eater. iPhone